In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a WordPress page. It's a simple process, perfect for when you want to keep certain content away from public view, such as works in progress or exclusive content meant only for specific users. First things first, you'll need to head over to wordpress.com and log into your account. Once you've accessed your dashboard, you're ready to start hiding that page. From your main dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and find the option called Pages. Click on that, and you'll see a list of all the pages currently on your site. Now that you're in your Pages section, you have to decide which specific page you would like to hide. Browse through your page list and select the one you want to focus on. Once you've found it, hover over the page title and you should see an Edit button appear. Go ahead and click on that to enter the page's editor mode. With the page now fully open in the editor, look to the right-hand side where you'll find a section labeled Status. Clicking on this will give you an option to change the visibility settings. Among these settings, you will see Public, Private, and sometimes Password Protected. For today's task, you'll want to choose Private. When you select Private, this ensures that the page is not going to be accessible to anyone except you and anyone else who has login privileges on your WordPress site. It's an excellent way to keep content under wraps until you're ready to release it to the world, or perhaps share it with just a select group of users. The final step in this process is to save your changes. Once you've set the page to Private, make sure you hit that Save or Update button often found in the top right corner. This action will finalize the process, and your page will officially be hidden from public view. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to hide a WordPress page. Whether you're a blogger, business owner, or just someone who enjoys playing around with WordPress, knowing how to manage the visibility of your content can be extremely powerful. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to follow along for more tips and tricks about managing your WordPress.